right, here it is by popular demand, the famous Bananas Foster recipe. Start with one banana that you're going to slice lengthwise and go ahead and leave it in the skin. It just makes it easier. And then you're going to cut those halves in half. And this will serve one person. So as you can see, I'm getting the bananas ready. And then we'll start the cooking process, and you really got to stay with it. It is a fast-moving dish, so have everything ready. So let's light up the flame, and you need to use a nice heavy-duty stainless steel saute pan. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter and let that melt, but don't let it burn. So stay with your butter. And if you want to turn the fire up, you can. And then we're going to start adding all of the tasty ingredients. So the butter's melting down pretty quickly. And let's add in some dark brown sugar. And you can use 3 to 4 heaping tablespoons of sugar. And then we'll do just a sprinkle of cinnamon. And that just kind of counteracts the sweetness of the brown sugar. And then we'll add in a key ingredient. But first you want to break up the sugar. So use a fork and break up the sugar, stirring it around. And then we will add in something that's very important, and it's banana flavored liqueur. It's really the thing that gives it so much flavor. And as you can see, we're going to get that famous flame. And this is just a lot of fun, especially if your guests are standing around your kitchen, for them to see how much fun it is. Then we'll put the bananas in and let those soften up a little bit. And this dish is almost done. We're going to add a little bit more liquor. So you're going to finish with a rum. You can use either dark or light rum. And again, you'll get a second flame, which is always fun. And this dish is almost ready. Make sure that you've got your vanilla ice cream scooped up in advance, but it really needs to be hard because this is a hot dish. It will melt the ice cream quickly. So now we're ready to plate this. So just line your dish with your cooked bananas. And we're going to have plenty of sauce. You really don't want to drown the dish in sauce. So just pour over probably about 1/3 of what's in the saucepan. And then you're going to top this with vanilla ice cream. And you are ready to serve, although I did request just a little bit more topping over the ice cream. And of course, this will melt it. Just understand that. You need to serve this dessert quickly. So there you have it. That's Bananas Foster.